Maitrayani Sanhitas. Unraveling the threads of spiritual wisdom in the Krishna Yajur Veda. The Maitrayani Sanhitas, an integral part of the Krishna Yajur Veda, offer a profound journey into the realm of spiritual insight and ritualistic precision. This article delves into the depths of the Maitrayani Sanhitas, exploring their composition, themes, ritualistic significance, and the enduring legacy they have carved in the tapestry of Vedic knowledge. Brief overview. Nestled within the vast expanse of the Krishna Yajur Veda, the Maitrayani Sanhitas beckon seekers to explore the intricate intersections of spirituality and rituals. This collection of hymns and verses serves as a bridge between the tangible world of rituals and the intangible realms of spiritual wisdom, guiding practitioners towards a harmonious existence. Composition and structure. The Maitrayani Sanhitas are composed of prose passages and verses, presented in the form of dialogues between sage Maitreya and his disciple. They are organized into 5 chapters, each referred to as a Prapthaka. These chapters unravel layers of knowledge, ritual practices, and philosophical insights, offering a holistic understanding of Vedic tradition. Ritualistic significance. At the core of the Maitrayani Sanhitas lies a meticulous guide to rituals and ceremonies. The Sanhitas delineate procedures, mantras, and symbolic actions that accompany these rituals. They emphasize the interconnectedness of the individual with the cosmic order, urging practitioners to align their actions with the sacred rhythm of the universe. Philosophical contemplation. Beyond the realm of rituals, the Maitrayani Sanhitas engage in philosophical inquiry. They explore questions of existence, the nature of reality, and the relationship between the individual and the cosmos. The dialogues between Maitreya and his disciple delve into metaphysical concepts, encouraging seekers to deepen their understanding of the interconnectedness of all beings. Spiritual insights and unity. The Maitrayani Sanhitas echo the essence of unity that pervades Vedic thought. They emphasize the interconnectedness of all existence, reflecting the Vedic belief in the oneness underlying the diversity of creation. Through rituals and contemplation, seekers are invited to recognize the eternal unity that binds all beings. Contemporary relevance. In the modern world, the Maitrayani Sanhitas continue to inspire seekers, scholars, and spiritual enthusiasts. Their teachings transcend time, offering insights into the delicate balance between rituals, philosophy, and the quest for spiritual realization. They invite individuals to explore the profound connections between the inner and outer dimensions of life. Conclusion. The Maitrayani Sanhitas stand as a testament to the synergy between spiritual wisdom and ritual practices within the Krishna Yajur Veda. By immersing ourselves in their verses, dialogues, and rituals, we navigate the timeless journey of self-discovery and cosmic realization. These Sanhitas beckon us to embrace the harmonious interplay between the mundane and the sacred, weaving a tapestry that unites rituals, wisdom, and the eternal quest for understanding the essence of existence itself.